Friends, in this video we are going to see about snakes. So taking to the back, snakes evolved from lizards in the late Jurassic Age, 135 million, that is 1 crore and 35 lakh years ago. That is more than 100 million, that is 1 crore years before our human-like ancestors appeared on the earth. Some scientists believe that snakes and lizards evolved independently of each other. The second point is there are about 2,750 species of snakes in the world. Of these, at least 277 are found in India. The longest snake in India and the world is the reticulated python, average length of 10 feet to 20 feet, and the highest recorded is 32 feet, as I know. And the longest poisonous snake in India and in the world is king cobra. Average length is 13 feet, but the maximum length is 18 feet and 22 feet. I am not sure about the exact figure. The smallest snake in India and the world is common worm snakes or common blind snake. Average length is about 5 inches. The Indian egg-eating snake is the rarest snake, which is found in Bihar and Bengal. Most snakes are oviparous, that is they lay eggs. Example: cobra, rat snake, karaite and python. Some are viviparous, that is they give birth to live young ones. Example are vipers, common vine snake. And some are oviparous, that is the embryo in the egg develops inside the body and of the mother, and the young ones are born. Example: sand boas. The shell of snake egg is harder but leathery, that is soft to touch but it's hard to break. The common worm snake or common blind snake is believed to be parthenogenetic, that is the female reproducing without males. Only female species have been found till now. Once eggs are laid, most of the snakes do not take care of them. Indian cobra guard their eggs. The king cobra builds a nest of leaves on the ground into which it deposits its eggs and then coil around and incubates them. It is the only snake that builds its nest. Python coils around the eggs during incubation. The Indian python, but not the reticulated python, also regulates the temperature during incubation by contracting and relaxing its muscles. Most snakes hunt prey by sight. Some snakes which hunt at night have heat sensitive areas on their face. Example: python and pit viper. They can detect and strike prey in dark by sensing the warmth given off by the animals. The forked tongue of the snake is primarily not an organ of taste but of smell. It transfers scent particles from the air to an organ inside the mouth, Jacobson's organ, which responds to the chemicals and distinguishes the smell. Snakes have no external or middle ears and cannot generally hear sound waves in the air, but the lower jaws feel sound waves in the air in the low frequency range of 100 to 700 Hz or cycles per second and transmit them to the inner ear. They also hear vibrations on the ground, pick up the lower jaw and transmit to the inner jaw. The teeth of snakes are curved backwards so that once caught, the prey cannot escape. Snakes cannot chew food, they swallow whole. The skull bones of the snake are closely connected together. This and the flexibility of the skin makes it possible for the snakes to swallow animals which are bigger than itself. Snakes have no eyelids. The eyes have a transparent cover which changes every time the skin is shedded. Snakes sheds their skin periodically. Snakes are exclusively carnivorous. They do not eat vegetables. The king cobra mainly eats snakes. The Indian egg-eating snakes in Bengal and Bihar mainly eat eggs. So we have the egg-eating snake in India, we have the biggest venomous snake, we have the king cobra, and we have the smallest snake in the world, and we have the longest snake, non-venomous snake, that's reticulated python in India. So India has lots of relationship with snakes. Okay friends, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and enable all notification, and share my videos with your friends and relatives and share your valuable comments. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel Janji signing off from you. Bye.